Greetings of the day. Today is Virtual Annual Day, a special day when everyone gathers under the same roof to celebrate year's achievements. Unfortunately, this year we are not able to celebrate our joy, our pleasure, our laughter and our achievements. But our school, our BK school have made this thing possible, who have created this platform of Virtual Annual Day so that all the students can showcase their skills and talents in front of the virtual platform. I thank our core committee members Mehul sir and Ketan sir as well as the whole staff who has given this idea of celebrating Virtual Annual Day. Along with that, I thank my fellow teachers whose hard work, whose companionship, whose great support have resulted in this day. I extend my gratitude to families, parents and the well-wishers of our students whose unconditional love, support, care resulted in this day and helped them to showcase their talents. Our school believes not only in academic qualifications but also along with that other developments such as companionship, leadership, unity, determination and moral values. Here, now we will begin our annual day function, our virtual annual day function with Lord Ganesha Stuti, and then we will see other performances as well.
Wonderful students, today we have observed a very good performance from your side as well. Finally, we have reached at the end of our virtual day celebration. On this occasion, first of all, I would like to congratulate our whole BK family, which includes our core committee members, our staff members. Of course, how can I ignore the parents, right? Our parents as well as our wonderful kids. In this time of pandemic also, we have observed a very high josh in our students. They all have performed very nicely and we are very happy to see your 100% efforts. Right, earth is round. Right, whatever you are giving will come back to you in one or the other way. For example, if you are taking part in elocution competition, in future it will boost your confidence, right? It will improve your mass communication skill, etc. There are number of benefits. Same way, those who have taken part in dance, fancy dress or mimes, this shows your imagination, your creativity in this area. So on this occasion, at the end, first of all, I would like to thank our core committee members, the management of our school, who has provided us this platform in this situation also, where the students can showcase their talent. Why this hand is not making any sound? Of course, right? How can a single hand can make a clap? So management and the parents are the two hands, right? When both the hands have met, we have heard a huge round of applause, right? Because parents have given their 100% efforts. They have guided their children in such a way that they have given so wonderful performances. So thank you all the parents from us. And again the congratulations for the students, right? Because this is one of the fruitful investment done by you today. Okay, it is not just the participation in the virtual day celebration, but it is a step ahead to make your future brighter, right? Because whatever you are doing, it is something what you are learning for tomorrow. So it is not the wastage, it is the investment of your time. So at the end, again, I would like to thank all the committee members, all the staff members, parents and students and the other staff as well, who has directly or indirectly contributed to make our this day successful. Thank you so much everyone.
Hello everyone, this is Tanisha Dovaria.
This is Gohala Shri.
And here we can show you some science experiments.
Let's start it.
So for the first experiment, take blue glasses and fill the same quantity of water in both of them. Then dissolve common salt in one of them, about 2 to 3 tablespoons. Then mix it well. Then take 2 lemons. Put 1 lemon in the plain water and 1 lemon in the water with common salt. You can observe that the lemon with plain water is singed and the lemon with salted water is floating.
So let's start second experiment. For the second experiment, take a plate and fill some water in it. Then take a candle and burn it. Then take a glass and put like this. We observe that the candle stops burning and the water in the plate is absorbed in the glass.
Hello, my name is Asha Brinda and I am studying in DK English School. This is my science project. In this project I need solar system. In the solar system there are 8 planets and a sun. Sun is a star. The planets orbit around it. It provides the earth with warmth. This is Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet. It is closest to the sun and has no atmosphere. This is Venus. Venus is the hottest planet. It is the second planet from the sun. It has no moon. This is Earth. Earth is the planet we live on. It is the third planet from the sun and has only one moon. The moon's gravity is about 1/6 of the Earth's gravity. This is Mars. Mars is also known as Red Planet. It is the fourth planet from the sun and has 2 moons. This is Jupiter. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the sun. Jupiter is the largest planet. It has 53 moons. Saturn, it is the sixth planet from the sun. Saturn is the second largest planet. It has large rings. This is Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from the sun. Uranus has the coldest temperature among all the planets. This is Neptune. Neptune is the eighth planet from the sun. Neptune has 6 faint rings. It is also known as blue planet. Thank you.
My model of rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting is a project by which the rainwater is collected. In this tank, I collected rainwater through straw. In this tank, rainwater is come through gravel, sand. The rainwater is purified, and in this straw, through this straw, purified rainwater is collected. If this purified rainwater is collected, we use in the irrigation, household works, and etc. Bye.
This is Dabaria Diya from 4th standard in BK School, and here I am showing you science experiments. The experiment: take a plate and fill it with water. Then take a candle and put it in the plate. Then burn it. Then put a glass like this. You can observe that the candle stopped burning and the water was in the plate are absorbed by the candle. Thank you.
Good afternoon, friends. My name is Sister Kotaknit and I am so 5th standard. And I am so science project explanations and the air and water and oxygen. All living beings get oxygen to breathe from atmosphere. Air is mixture of many gases, about 78% nitrogen, 28% oxygen, and 1% other gases like non-argon, carbon dioxide, and ozone are present in the air. It also contains water vapor and dust particles. Oxygen. All living organisms need oxygen for breathing. Oxygen is also necessary for burning. And I am so activity. Take 2 candles and fix them on a table. Light both the candles. Now cover and burning candle with an inverted glass. The glass should not touch the frame. After some time, you observe that the candle covered with glass stops burning. The other candle continues to burn. Why does the candle in the glass stop burning? This is also glass. और इसको ऑक्सीजन नहीं मिल रहा है और इसको ऑक्सीजन मिल रहा है, यानी हम एक रूम पे पैक होते हैं और हमारा नाक बंद हो जाता है तो ऑक्सीजन नहीं मिलता है और नाक खुला होता है तो ऑक्सीजन मिलता है. आई एम सो ओके ending the year. Bye bye.
One stick and these tires.